Good morning, guys. So we are actually going to Florida in a week, and I'm so pumped and so excited. And I thought I'd do a video this week about like what I can't travel without. So pretty much this is going to be my travel essentials video. So the first thing I can't travel without is my phone. So on my phone, when I am on the airplane or whatever, I always listen to music. The other thing I can't travel without are AirPods. I love my AirPods. Yeah, so these two kind of go hand in hand. I listen to music with my AirPods and my phone. I watch movies. The next thing I can't travel without is gum and mints. So I get motion sickness. So on planes, when the plane is taking off or landing, I'm always chewing gum. And I guess mints kind of go along with that. I don't know, just kind of that's the deal. The next thing, well, I have deodorant that I travel with because you don't want to smell that on the plane. And the next two things are lotion and face masks. So when you're traveling, the air pressure and humidity and stuff changes and it's really whack and makes your skin super dry. So I'd recommend either putting this on after. You want a hydrating face mask. I don't know, this is just like a soothing face mask that I have around the house that I actually got gifted. And this is just Trader Joe's lotion. Literally, this lotion, best thing. I love it. This is the unscented one. They also have a rose one. But it's like, it has a neutral scent, but it's just so good. The next three things are chapstick. Again, along with the skincare stuff, your skin and face and everything gets super dry. So this is a must for traveling. Also, I have these. These are pretty much nail files. Like little, I don't know, little nail files. I got them at a museum somewhere, and I thought it was the smartest idea because they're you can reuse, just toss them when you're done with them. And I use these all the time because nails break, and it's the most frustrating thing ever. The next thing is I have my little hairbrush. I always travel with that. Next, I have my glasses. For those of you who don't know, I wear contacts. So I also have my little contacts case, which I'll get into a little later. So I always travel with my glasses because contacts get annoying, especially if you're traveling south. So I live in Minnesota, so we travel to Florida and the tropical area a lot. And the ocean doesn't really it's just not great for contacts and swimming and stuff. Also, sunglasses. I have my sunglasses that I love. I just bring these all the time everywhere when we go south and stuff. I also have my contacts case. So in my contacts case I have solution and my contacts lens case. Then I also have these are I guess sight saver packets or whatever. They're just lens cleaners, which are good for computers and just everything. And then these are little hand towelette, moist towelette things, antibacterial, I guess, hand wipes. So use these. The next thing I have is a really tattered up Band-Aid. But Band-Aids are just a necessity on any trip you go to. Next I have my Claritin. I have allergies, so this saves my life so many times. I also always travel with hair ties. These are just regular hair ties, and this one, I guess, it's one of the, I don't know how to explain it, but one of these. So I recently really gotten into planners and journaling and all that kind of stuff. So this is my Panda planner. My dad got it for me. I don't know, I really love it so far. It has a very interesting setup, and I really like it. So I might do my planner and explain what I do and how I because I have multiple systems. I also make lists. I make a lot of lists on notebooks and stuff. So I might explain that one day. But I carry on my planner everywhere I go. And along with that, I have like a pen and a pencil that are just gonna be in my bag for plannering, journaling, all that, like plannering, for writing in my planner, for journaling, that kind of stuff too. I also carry a water bottle. A lot for plane ride, for when we're going on planes. I don't always bring a water bottle, but on like car trips and stuff, I always bring water and I make sure to stay hydrated. Another thing, when we're always traveling in the airport, I have a backpack, right? But I also have a purse of some sort. I normally usually carry around this one. I don't know, I really like the different pockets and how it's pretty small. But this year, since we're going to Florida, I might take this because I was thinking about bringing this anyway, so I might just travel with this. But I would for sure recommend bringing some sort of bag, because like a lanyard like this can't hold your phone or anything because you're moving a lot, you have a lot of things, you're juggling. This is really good for like passports and stuff too, like important documents, and you keep it close so no one can take it and it's easy access. I also would really recommend bringing like a bag of some sort. Like these can like fold easily and come really compact, and or you can like bring them out and they can hold quite a bit, or just some sort of tote bag like that, because just extra stuff, it's easier. Also, it's very good for trips like walking around when you go on like tours or something like that. You don't want to bring your whole backpack, or like going to the beach. Something like that is really nice too. Again, since I live in Minnesota, we travel a lot during the winter. During the winter, I usually like travel in a shirt just like this, and I love this like hoodie thing. I always wear it. I love traveling in it. It's not too thick and it doesn't take up too much space, but it's pretty warm. And then I always travel in leggings. I can't travel in jeans. Jeans are just uncomfortable. So I'd really recommend finding something you're really comfortable in, because plane rides get really long and really boring. And you really want something super comfortable that you love to wear. And it's just like comfy clothes that you feel really comfortable in. Next thing I would for sure recommend, we travel light, like really light. We usually have like a backpack or two or something, or like a small suitcase. But I'd also recommend bringing a change of clothes. So since we're going to Florida, I'm gonna bring shorts with me into my backpack. So once we get there, I can just quickly in the bathroom change out of my leggings and into my shorts, so I'm not dying in the heat. Oh, probably also if I have like a short sleeve shirt, I'll be fine. But if you have a long sleeve shirt, make sure you bring something that the temperature allows. I think the same goes for if you're like traveling from Florida, for instance, to Minnesota. You come in like shorts or something like that, and you make sure you bring like sweatpants or leggings or jeans or something to change into once you get to the airport, so you feel comfortable in the temperature around it. That's all for my packing essentials video thing. Hopefully it helped you come up with a list of things you need to travel with, or maybe like that one thing that you always forget when you travel, and hopefully it gave you some ideas of what to bring for your next trip or something like that. If you have any more ideas or essentials that you can't travel without, please comment down below. I'd love to hear them. And I love you guys. Bye!